بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. سورہ طٰہٰ ورس نمبر 55. منہا خلقناکم وفیہا نعیدکم ومنہا نخرجکم تارۃ اخری. We have created you only from the earth, and only to it we shall take you back, and only from it we shall cause you to rise again. Respected listeners, that verse of the Holy Quran is announcing that no one can be buried anywhere in the world without the will of Allah. So the two companions of the last prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and Hazrat Umar Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, have been buried with the last prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam by the will of Allah. They are so lucky. They are at a place where 70,000 angels come in the morning and 70,000 angels come in the evening, and the angel who comes once will never come till the day of judgment. I pray to Allah Almighty, may Allah keep us respectful of all the Sahaba Pak. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.